Hi, I'm Matt with D-Patrick Boonville Ford. When you bring your vehicle into us, you want it in trusted hands, and we take that serious. At D-Patrick Ford, we make it easy to keep your vehicle running at its best. Our service team is made up of some of the most knowledgeable and experienced Ford certified technicians you'll find. They spent many years training on Ford vehicles, and they use the proper tools and diagnostics recommended by the manufacturer. We offer a full lineup of Ford service packages, including our Works Package Plus and our Works Package Premium Plus. Each is designed to help your engine run cleaner and smoother. And if your vehicle needs routine care, we provide services like wiper blades, tire rotation and balance, brake inspections, and battery checks. As a Ford dealership, we also offer factory recommended maintenance services such as brake flushes, transmission service, coolant flushes, power steering service, fuel injection cleaning, differential and transfer case services, and a full four-wheel drive maintenance. We know your time is valuable, which is why we offer complimentary pickup and delivery for your service appointment. We'll come to your home or office, pick up your vehicle, and bring it back to you when the job is done, so your day doesn't have to stop just because your car did. And while you wait on site, you can enjoy some of our amenities, including free Wi-Fi, coffee, and a comfortable lounge to relax in until your vehicle is ready. When it's time for your next service, we would love to help. Schedule online or give us a call today. We can't wait to help you.